today is another day. So today I woke up really early and I was so excited. And guess what, guys? I received a few items. I have some mini unboxing for you guys. So this is the box. I'm going to show you what I got. I think they all come from Amazon. No, not all come from Amazon. There's one that comes from Apple. I guess you already know what it is. So the first thing that I got, it's like a laptop bag. I got it from Amazon. The product is actually bigger than the package. I don't understand. But first impression is that the package is too small. So whatever it's called, Landisi, please try to make your package better because it is too small. I struggled. So this is the bag here. I love it so far. It's amazing. I bought it from my new my MacBook Pro that I got recently, guys. And yeah, so I think it's gonna fit in here, and I really love the quality, guys. It's so good. I love the quality, and the zips, they are so smooth. This pocket here where I can fit my chargers and everything. And when I open this bag, so we actually open this bag this way, which is cool. It makes it a little bit different. We'll be putting your laptop here through this hole here. So it looks so smooth when I touch it. It's so smooth. It's so good to touch, and it's very protective. I think it's going to offer that protective cushion for my laptop. This item that I got was this hard case for my MacBook, and I love it so much, guys. And how can I say I love it meanwhile I haven't even opened it? Chrissy, think. What is happening to me? My brain is not functioning properly. 13.3 inch. My laptop is 13 inch because when I was ordering this online, it said 13 inch. So let's see if it's gonna work. Please, I don't like you guys to mislead me, brands. How are we gonna open this? Okay, this is how it comes, guys. So it's kind of like glittery at the bottom, I think. So basically it's like that. This is how it's gonna be. Hey guys, today is another day. I am so happy to have received welcome to the Mrs. and the Mr.'s MacBook Pro M2 chip. I am so happy to have finally put my hands on it. I am so happy, yeah. So I really hope I'm gonna use it to be more productive, to be creative. Yes, because this is my new babe.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.